In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a verified domain to your GitHub pages. Whether you're managing a personal project or collaborating with a team, having a custom domain for your GitHub pages can enhance your project's credibility and accessibility. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, we're going to start at your GitHub dashboard. If you're not already there, open your browser and navigate to GitHub, then log into your account if necessary. Once you're on your dashboard, take a look at the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You should see an icon that represents your profile. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This will open up a drop-down menu with various options. From this drop-down menu, you're going to select Settings. Clicking on Settings will take you to a new page where you can configure various account settings. Now, on this Settings page, we're looking for an option on the left sidebar labeled Pages. This is the section where you manage all things related to GitHub pages, including domain settings. Once you have clicked on Pages, you'll be directed to the GitHub Pages settings page. Here, you'll see different options related to your GitHub pages, including an option to add a verified domain. It's worth noting that having a verified domain is key to ensuring your website is associated with your GitHub account, which helps protect your site and ensures trust with your visitors. Now find the section that allows you to add a domain. It's usually straightforward to spot because it will have a button labeled Add Domain or something similar. When you click on Add Domain, it will prompt you to enter the domain name that you own, which you want to associate with your GitHub pages. This part is important. Make sure you input the correct domain name. Double check for any typos because any mistake here will prevent your website from displaying correctly. Enter your domain and then simply click the Add Domain button. And that's it. You've successfully added a verified domain to your GitHub pages. Remember, it might take some time for the changes to propagate through DNS servers. So don't be alarmed if your custom domain doesn't work immediately. It can sometimes take a few hours. By following these steps, you're well on your way to having a personalized and professional web presence. If you need more help in the future with customization or troubleshooting, don't hesitate to explore GitHub's documentation or community forums. Thank you for watching and happy coding.